As always, okay, you will do PPB. Now, so always doctor's name, Dr. Sulaiman. Here. What can you see? We have combined PPB alone, phaco hard, phaco medium, phaco. So still with Dr. Sulaiman, we can open this for him. So we will do phaco, PPB only. You will choose PPB gauge 23 because I believe you don't have the gauge 25 or 27 here. Because in my setting, I have gauge 27 and I have gauge 25. Because you know our surgeons are always advanced. Okay, they want to try new things always. So here, combine is for phaco and PPB. So what do you want? Okay, we will go with PPB first. So PPB priming. We can connect the things now.
Tanggalin mo muna yung ano.
Oo nga po. Yung
Same, it's just same.
Magbawas tayo ng
Just same.
Okay. Yan na. Ako gamitin na natin yung time. Okay. Ate, may gloves ka po. Can I have clean gloves?
Small.
Small ka tayo?
Walang extra small. Kasi tayo.
Okay. So, since Eva is very friendly machine, so it's not very sensitive, so we can connect all at once. Okay, where's the PPB? Is this the one I touched before? So, okay, here is your vitrectomy. Good thing you have your legend now. So, for the new ones. Okay, then where is the infusion line? Okay, this is connected here. Okay, what is this roller? This is to close po. Okay, if it's like this, to lock, to close. Okay, so it will not detach during the surgery. So this is the never put here any color. This is, as I told you, this is the irrigation port 1. This is port that one. Okay, so this one is here. Where is your BGPC po? I think you throw already.
No, it's here.
Yeah, but this one is new. I need the BGPC.
That one, oh. Yun na.
Yes. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So, this is
Ito
the
yung
one
hindi
I'm
nagamit sa patient na. Hindi naman siya nagamit.
Hindi ko nagamit.
Oh, okay.
This is the connection here at the back.
Yes.
So, you need to twist it this way. To the right, to the right. Then, ayun. So, since open na, your bottle is already open, so it's punctured already. So, connect it this way. Okay? And then this one is here. And this one, as I told you, put it here. So, the water will not go there at the back of the machine. So, this way. So, it's still clamped. Okay? So, pretend that this is new. Okay? So, you need to put fill the chamber. At least 3/4. Anyway, sometimes even you put it half, it will go up. Yes. Okay, it might feel more until it's full like this. But it's okay, it will not affect you. So, okay, primary. Okay, so start. I can. So the water, because why I am still close, still this one is closed. So I don't want the water to go there a lot. So I will press this first. Start. Then that's the time I will release this. Okay. Where is your orange? Why do you need the orange? We can use this one for extrusion. Okay, the doctor might ask for extrusion. You see? Okay, you can touch for the BSS. It's pressurized.
Bloated na siya.
And bloated. Unlike the gravity, it's Guys, make sure this is well secured, have closed well, because sometimes before we had that incident, ate, we had the problem. What's wrong? We cannot. So it's loose pa na yun.
Hindi.
So it's 100%.
Dun sa isa. Hindi naman ako mag-green.
Connected na po ito.
Yan yung isusok sa water, di ba?
Pero na po, ano na po siya? Ayan, ang iyong infusion po ay ilagay niyo po dyan.
So, during pala na nagpa-prime siya, ano na lang yung water?
Yes po. While it's priming, the water is so this is ready for vitrectomy. Okay. So this is the menu. This is your screen after priming the baby. But make sure, as I told you before proceeding with the priming, make sure everything is connected. Make sure there is no any block, tubings po, because it might happen. Then really, you cannot proceed even the half, 50% of the priming mode. You cannot reach because there are some problem, there is some blockage. Okay. So this is the core vitrectomy. This is his setting. We cannot change anything about it. Okay. Then, turn it on the infusion. How you will close it po? For me, I prefer to close it from here. Then, I will keep the air off. Okay po? That is the safest. Okay? Safest. In the machine, it's on po. But here, it's off. Okay? So, it's always on here in the machine po. But for the surgeon, irrigation off. Okay, it's off. Irrigation on. Okay, so this is the irrigation on. Okay, for example, why I need to keep the air closed? Okay, that is why I am manipulating it from the clamp. It's more easier for you. Doctor will say, okay, on, off, on, off. So it's easier than to put this one on, off. You're in the fluid. Okay, suddenly you accidentally twist it, so air is coming. Okay, because it's connected But if you will use this roller, this one, okay, on, off, you see? So, the air now is coming to the patient. When in fact, the doctor will be surprised. What is this? What is it? So, keep the air on, close, and then this one, manipulate it from here. It will be more easier to you, to me, and I guess to you as well.
So, there's no need for us to turn off the irrigation.
No need from here, ate. Yes, you can, off. Okay, doctor will say off while putting the trocar. Sa trocar first then. Okay, infusion on. Okay. Because once it's on, you cannot put it in the trocar because there's water, right?
Yes.
So the doctor might ask you, for sure, he will ask you close it for a while. Once he put it in the trocar, okay, on. Then you need to secure it with a Steristrip. Okay, keep on, okay. Then, that is fluid. Okay, this is fluid. Then suddenly the doctor order for air. Okay? I need air. You cannot give fluid and air at the same time. We have only one infusion line. Either it's fluid or air. So the doctor said, I need air now. Close this and close it here. So it's air now. See? It's very fast. So the air will come to the patient. Okay.
There's air coming from the machine,
From the machine. And this is the air pressure.
So that's the air pressure.
Yes. The doctor might say, can you increase the air pressure? Okay. What to? Okay, make it 35. 35.
So this is air pressure.
So,
This is the air.
yes, this is the air.
Okay.
Yes. So,
Amazing.
you cannot, as I told you, you cannot use two, yeah. You cannot use two fluid and air at the same time. So, one by one only. So, now, we are on air. Okay. So, everyone agree that it's more easier to use this
Yes,
roller?
yes.
Yes. Because for me, it's easier. So, now, again, there are some surgeon, okay, fluid. Then, air. Okay, fluid again. Air, fluid, they will do it like this. So, you will be, yes, up on here na. Okay. So now this is, we are on air. Need to close this one. So, nothing will come because this is close. Your main. Okay. For me, sometimes, if your scrub is not that much, expert.
Mm-mm.
He knows everything. She's new. She just started. As a CRQ, what I am doing, okay, if the doctor already transferred from fluid to air, okay, they're on air now. Yes, she closed this one. I'm afraid, suddenly or accidentally, she might open this one. So what I am doing, I'm turning off here.
Mm-mm.
So pure water. But okay, suddenly after 15 minutes, they're working. I need fluid now. That's the time you will turn it on here. She can turn it on here. Why? This is for safety purposes. Because, we cannot say, the accident, this is retina. They are doing clear it. That's why we have the extrusion as well. The extrusion. They are drying the retina, okay, the whole surface of work. Then suddenly, because of the nurse who is not, not that much familiar, not expert, suddenly she turn it on the water. Water flows like this. But if I turn it off here, even though she turned it, nothing will go.
Mm-mm.
This is for safety purposes as well. So you as the circulating nurse, don't depend too much on your scrub. If you know, we need to work as a team, she is not that much for her safety, for everyone's safety, because not only the scrub nurse will be responsible. You as a circuit, you need to know what's happening as well. Because just in case your scrub is new, so you can help her as well. So this is what I am doing. Okay. So I will turn it off. If they are in air now, okay, they will take time in air like this. I can turn it off. So just in case accidentally she turn it off on here, no fluid will come inside you. So it's safe. Okay po. So, okay, this is, let's say, but during the case, this is on. Okay? The scrub nurse is the one responsible of on, like this, everything. Okay? This one, keep it on. So, we are in corvitrectomy. The start of the corvitrectomy is the 6,000. This is the start and the end is 6,000. This is the doctor's setting po. So, you can, this is the IOP. Okay? So, IOP, what's the IOP? 30 doctor. Can you make it 25? This is the one I'm telling you, always press on the number. See the difference? You will take 100 days.
39.
But if you will press it, okay, alam ko. So, make the 35. Maximum is 150. You can see it from here. Minimum 0, maximum, the IOP is 150. But for PPD, we are not reaching 150. Maximum 60, that is alternate pressure. So this is the one. Doctor, they are the one using the pedal, okay, for the alternate pressure. And here, okay, 30. As you notice, there are some instances, whatever the IOP here, it's the same with the
Yes, I noticed
yes,
that.
po. Yes. This is usually, one more thing, guys. For example, the doctor changed to air. Okay, give me air. Then he will tell you what they called it like infusion. In our mind, infusion means fluid. But if he already changed to air, the infusion that he is referring is the air. Because you're an air. The air is the one flowing inside the patient's eye, not the fluid. So when he asks for it, never on, never turn it on, never turn it on, just this one. Okay. What's the infusion? Doctor, this is the infusion. This is the pressure that is going to the patient eye. Because you are an air. Okay? And then, he didn't tell you, turn on the fluid, like this. You are the infusion that is coming, that is air, not the fluid. Okay po? Because, get it.
That is the pressure.
Yes, that is the pressure.
The air.
So, I'm afraid, you might, could get confused. You will turn it on here and here. Because you heard the infusion. Infusion. So, you think it's fluid? No. This is the one na po because you already changed to air. That is the infusion he's referring. Because I had an incident before. Not from me, from my colleagues. The doctor is on air. Then infusion. She turned it on. Oh, the fluid suddenly went inside the eye. What did you do? Doctor said infusion. Yes, infusion. The air, infusion. Whatever. Once I change to air, it's the infusion. It's air. But I didn't say fluid. Can I make clear with this? Because that's the time. So, and of course, it was a mess. Because you see, in retina, we're drying it. Then suddenly, another fluid. They need to dry it again.
So when you are doing air, it's after the water, right?
Yes, ate.
You will not go back to water.
No. Some doctor, they are less. That is why I
Then
told
go
you,
back to the-
okay, on, air, fluid, air. There are some
Okay.
doctors, they are
I
playing
got
with
it.
it. Yes. On, air, like, But I guess your surgeon are too kind to, they are nice to, okay, wear an air. Okay, give me fluid now. Give me, but if just in case you experience like that, take it as a normal. Yan ni scenario. Okay, it is normal po. You cannot say like, why is like that? After he dry it, he will put fluid again. It's okay po. It depends on him and this is what the patient yan case.
But mostly last na gagawin ng
Yes,
doctor.
it's the air. Yes, they will dry it like this. Okay. So, we are okay with this. If anyone has question, we are clear with this. Okay. So, for vitrectomy, this is the pattern. This is the IOP and this is the vacuum. Okay. Where is the aspiration? No, there's no aspiration. Only vacuum. This is the setup. Okay. Don't look for something that is not here po. So, you will not make the confusion. So, this is the vacuum, the IOP, and the cutter. Okay. So, this is the irrigation. Always, this is the normal. This is the standard. This is the air. Oh, the light. Where is the light? Okay. Can I open this one or you have?
Yeah, you can open.
No problem. Okay. For the light. Okay. So, let's turn it. This is on already.
That is
Turn it
light.
off? Yes po. Okay. So, turn on the light, where you will press. This is the bulb. Okay, you will press the bulb.
941. Activated.
Okay. Sometimes there are some surgeons, it's too bright. So, can you make it 50%?
941.
Okay, so it's 50%. You can, as I told you, always press on the number so you can. But for me, I'm always giving the brightness. Then that's the time they will decrease if they want. This is for the light. Once you have it here, this is for the light. Lighting.
Activated.
Okay, so how to close this? This one.
943. Off.
For the color.
Activated.
Okay, for the exam, this one, can we make it?
941.
Okay. This is color yellow po. Sometimes there are some surgeon, can I have the other color, the yellow one? Okay, so you will change the mode. Okay po, here.
Color.
Okay. So make it, if you want to make it zero, so it will go back to white. Okay po.
So, only two colors, ate?
Yes po,
Yellow and
colors,
white.
yellow and white.
Gusto mo na
So,
Christmas
0 and
light.
15.
Yes,
Purple?
Okay, again. Let's close.
941. 941. Off.
Okay, off. So, let's turn it on. Okay, this is white. Let's go to the mode. Okay, everything is zero. Let's make it 50%. So, there's no 50%. This is the cancel, by the way. Okay po. So, let's make it 50.
941.
So,
So, only 15 and 0.
15 to, what is the maximum? They can be
20.
20. Okay. So, 20.
Okay.
Yellow
If
po.
0 is white.
0 is white. You will go back to 0. Yes po.
Color.
Okay. So, this is the standard po. Okay po. So, there are some surgeon, they are asking for the yellow color like this. Because there are some, they want to do something, they want this color.
Or if they have 3 or 2 lights, they have to. Sometimes they want.
Yeah, the other one yellow,
Yes.
the other one like this. But I did not experience yet po that the other one is yellow, the other one. So, for example, this is their main, but
Nag-disc ko na sila.
just in case, you know how to change it.
Okay.
Okay?
941.
Nag-disc ko na sila.
Ano na?
Nag-disc ko na sila. Nasa ilaw-ilaw na. Okay. So, we are okay with this. So, I can press. Ate, pasok natin.
So, wala tayong ganito eh.
We're doing the vitrectomy. Your light should be on. Okay, doctor is working BBB like this. Okay. Give me shaving. Shaving, doctor. Cutting rate 8,000 start and 8,000. No decrease. Make it decrease. No problem. Always this one is the start and end. Okay.
Adjust din niya lang.
Setting niya po yan.
Setting niya lang.
Opo. So kung if the doctor will ask for changes, any changes, that's the time you can change. But never ask anything, keep it this way because this is his setting po.
I mean,
Any other term for shaving?
How to change? Okay. How to change? Make it 6,000. Yes. And 6,000. 9. 6,000.
Same, no?
Okay.
Start and
Shaving.
end.
This is shaving mode po. Okay. So let's proceed with extrusion. Okay. Give me, I need extrusion, my dear. He said like this. So give me a backflash. Do you have any backflash cannula here? So in the backflash cannula, ate,
Opo.
does any one of you notice the white one?
Yes.
White is one. That is the one you need to connect it here.
The
And then,
silicone?
the white plastic something. Yan, can I see it here? Maybe you have it here in your backflash.
The small one.
Yeah, the small white
Connected
one.
to the
yes, this
handpiece.
one, ate.
Yeah.
So don't throw this one, okay?
Di pala yun.
If your surgeon will ask for extrusion, this is the one. Extrusion is like draining, removing the fluid like that. Because for example, they will do silicone oil.
Sorry.
Yan, they are
Pwede na i-open yan, ma'am.
Okay. So
Kasi
do you
kasama
have
yun
cannula? Backflash. That is why you
Yeah,
need
we have
this.
backflash cannula.
The process po.
Yes.
Hindi.
Backflash.
Instrument yun, te. Ang
Yeah.
No, the cannula. The cannula there. I saw it there. But ate, we cannot. We
process
cannot-
nga, hindi natin yan pwedeng buksan, te.
Hindi pa kita naman sample. Anyway, don't worry about these things. I will tell you later. Okay. So just, I'm not open ate. I know how expensive this is. So, okay. So your surgeon said extrusion. So you will press the extrusion, the scrub nurse, connect it here.
Tawag dito?
Cannula po. That is backflash cannula. Okay. So here, and then the cannula is here.
Ah,
Then this is the extrusion. The orange color. This is the use of orange color. Or else the doctor will not ask for extrusion. You don't need for this.
Now I know.
Yes.
Charot.
Tagal ko na ang surgery nito.
That is for extrusion use.
This is for extrusion.
How about this one?
This one we are not using this one. Okay. So, but for extrusion, this one. So whenever you have this is I think extra from the backflash, other thing. So keep this.
This one is always
you can
with the
reprocess
PPD
this
pack.
one. You can reprocess this one. So just in case you run out of this one, the new one you have this. Just in case extrusion, you will just open.
I
this
think it
one
comes with the pack.
and
Yes, it
connect
always
it.
comes with
Connect
the
it here. So this is the extrusion.
Meron pa niyan doon.
Direct cannula.
Ate, can I see this
Yes,
one?
po. Yes.
Eh, ano yung isang ginagamit nating instrument na may backflash din?
Instrument
Instrument
yan,
yan,
te.
te. Instrument
Instrument backflash yan, te.
This is
Ito,
cannula.
yung cannula.
Cannula.
But can we use that instead of this?
No.
No,
Di ba po
it's
yun?
another
Different.
thing, yes.
It's different, te.
It's yes, later I will explain to you everything. Okay po. So we are clear with the
Extrusion.
extrusion.
Okay.
So this is the extrusion. Whenever they ask for extrusion, I need extrusion. Look for this. Get your orange because this orange is just sleeping there, stay and waiting for you to take it. Then connect and then give me the please
Cannula.
guys. Cannula
3 to
gauge
3, 4.
23. Never open a wrong one because it's too expensive.
Yes.
Number one. Number two, it's a waste of material. And number three, the doctor will be mad. What is this? You will connect the one for silicone, very wrong. Yes. For cannula only, the regular cannula. Okay po? So we are clear with the extrusion. Okay? He might ask for the IOP. How's the IOP? Okay, 30 doctor. Can you make it 25?
Irrigation.
Okay, 25. So, okay. Everyone, ate, let's proceed with the next step na po. So, okay now with the extrusion?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay, and the laser. What is the code for endolaser? As far as I know, it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
And the laser.
Okay. We have two kinds of endolaser. Illuminated and directional. Okay po. For the illuminated, you see, he's waiting for us. Remove this, connect the illuminated here, and then one here.
Yes.
Okay? So, not only the light we can use for this one because our endolaser should be connected in this. Okay po. So, this is the laser. Yan, is-set up. So, for the power, okay. Endolaser, doctor, illuminated or directional? You have some surgeon like Dr. Sulaiman. You know that his routine is illuminated. No need to ask him. You know that his routine is directional. Open the directional. But if you know that he is a 50-50, and you know sometimes it depends on the cases. There are some patient, okay, for him it's better directional like this. It's curved and yan is straight. Only the difference, you know. So, but if you know that his routine is directional, open directional na the tool, connect it here and then here. Here. Of course, you cannot use this one because he's using this one. So you will go with the second. Chandelier. Later, I will introduce to you who is chandelier. So this is the setting. Doctor,
Chandelier.
power 250, duration 200, interval 200. Can you make the interval 50? Okay, go.
Interval.
50. And you make the power 200.
Power.
Doctor, power 200, duration 200, interval 50. As you can see, it's on standby mode. Of course. Okay, you asked the doctor already. Okay. Low laser pulse detected. Where is our laser? We don't have laser. Okay? Do you have reprocess, ate?
Wala po.
Wala po.
Okay.
Pakita
For
na
example,
lang.
for example, we have laser. Of course, this one is a normal thing because we don't have laser. But in just since we have the laser like this, always press this one. Laser ready. Then he can press this one now. Toot, 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 toot. Okay. Can you increase the aiming beam? Where's the aiming beam here? What is the aiming beam? Doctor, 50%. Can you make it 35?
A, B.
Aiming big. 35. Okay po. So, anything, you need only to, once you press the end laser, this one, press this one, make the power, yan, tell him the power. If there's any changes that he wants, change it, and then make sure this one is ready. Okay, doctor, laser ready. IOP, 25, doctor. Okay, proceed. Okay. Any question with the laser?
So once everything is connected, it will show that it's ready, right?
Yeah, we need to press po. Since this one, we cannot proceed because we don't have probe. But once we have probe, okay.
And connected.
If the doctor said endolaser, but you know your cases. PPB, air fluid exchange, endolaser, you need to connect na the endolaser. Ask the surgeon, doctor, what you will use? Illuminated before he start. Okay, open and illuminated. Oh, you can connect it na. So once the doctor said endolaser, your things are connected, your probe. So, kalas, ready, make it ready. This one will be ready. And then tell these things to him. If he's fine with this setting, proceed.
24.
Okay.
Okay po? Do not save this one unless the surgeon asks you. I want this setting every time. Doctor, in all your PPB, you want this laser setting like this? Save it, long press. But if not, just for this patient, but usually for patient only. So, for yan, safety purposes, and so we will not have trouble. We're not saving it. We're just changing on this case only. Tomorrow, another case, another changes again. So, no need. Unless he said that, make my setting like this, you will change something, save it. So, this will be his permanent setting. Okay po? So, irrigation zone. Usually, some instances, they are asking now, while they are on the laser, they are on air. Okay, air. The infusion that is coming to the eye is air. So you can close this one. This is close the air while doing the toot laser. Okay po.
Irrigation
So,
activated.
okay. We're clear with the laser na po. Okay, no question. So, silicone oil injection. For the silicone oil injection, linear means you will press the center. Okay po. Center for when you are injecting na the, see? Okay, see? Because we should have the silicone pack later. I will show it to you. The pack should be here. Okay? And then how to use it. So, this is the silicone. This is the normal setting po. 0.5 to 6. The IOP is like this. So, silicone like this. But as I told you, if this one is broken, there is a swishing sound like shh, shh. Something is wrong. Wait, my dear, the air is, I cannot inject. There's no movement of injection of the silicone because this one is not secure. So, I suggest this one, there is a black one. Remove this one and always keep it with you. How many PD do you have? Keep it with you because you will use it here, ate. Okay po? So, yan for your what is this? Convenience. Okay? Before you start, you need to check this one. Especially if you know that one of the procedure that you will do is silicone. So, because on the spot, you don't want it. My dear, please hurry. Okay? So, before that, you need to check it na. Is it okay? Or something is cut? You will see, ate, it's cut. Okay, I need to remove. You have the forceps. You can remove it and then place it a new one. Okay? Because that is why before starting your PPB, guys, we never know. It's not in the procedure, the silicone. Suddenly, you use silicone and you did not check this one. So, you will take time. Okay po? So, this is one of the main problem in silicone oil removal. So, we're okay now with the injection. Silicone oil removal. For the silicone oil removal, same kit. But I will show you how to do it. Okay po? So, this is the feature of extraction. Then, phaco-fragmentation. Okay. What did I say? Phaco handpiece is not primed. Ensure that the phaco handpiece is properly primed. So, if we have phaco-fragmentation, do you have the needle for fragmentation, ate?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Phaco-fragmentation, they are doing this if there are some nucleus drop. The cataract is dropped. Okay po? Because of, weak capsule. And, the doctor is too, clumsy and very fast. So, some of the particles of the cataract, they fall down. Okay? Fall down. So, what they will do, it's a long needle po. Then we will put sleeve. It's connected in the phaco. Instead of phaco tip, that is the tip. Phaco-fragmatome. And it's long. So,
Fragmatome?
phaco-fragmatome. They are using the MVR 20.
I will check later. I think we have fragmatome.
Make a hole in the sclera. Then they will put it in. Then, because it cannot be in the anterior. So, they will make a hole in the sclera. Okay, then they will use that hole, okay, to insert that phaco-fragmatome to remove the fragments. There are some po, it can be removed by cutter. But sometimes it's too large. The phaco, the drop nucleus is too large. Cannot be removed and cannot be aspirated by this small cutter. So, they are using the phaco-fragmatome.
Phaco-fragmatome.
Yes, and how to prime that one po, you need to go to the combine. This is PPB only. So, if the doctor write PPB plus phaco-fragmatome, you need to go with combine. Together with your handpiece, you have a lot of tubings po. Yes po. You need to connect it's like you will do phaco.
Oh, okay.
Yes po. It's like but the only thing is instead of phaco, you will go to phaco-fragmatome.
You will use another instrument
Another
instead
needle.
of handpiece.
Handpiece po. Still the handpiece.
Still the handpiece.
Still the handpiece. Only the difference is the needle.
Needle.
Phaco-fragmatome needle.
Pressure.
That's the only thing you need to change. But the infusion...
That will be connected to the handpiece, right?
Yes po. So, same thing. Only the needle is different po. And there is a sleeve. The sleeve is the one we are using. Is any sleeve the one for phaco? Can be used.
We can use
Opo, we are just cutting it. Because it's like, this is the needle, for example. This is the sleeve. And this one is exposed. The needle itself. Yes.
Okay.
So, for that phaco-fragmatome, it's very seldom. Even in our center, we are not doing that one much. It's just because it's the reason for phaco-fragmatome is drop nucleus po. That cannot be removed by this one. But I tried before. I assisted one surgeon. There's drop nucleus, but we managed to remove this one. Of course, you need to cut it into pieces, little by little. Then we are able to remove by this. So, no need for your fragmatome. But I still prime the fragmatome. So, it's in the combine. So, everyone is clear with this. By the way, for phaco, some surgeons, they are very, they want meticulous. What is the phaco time? For phaco, we're on PPB. But for phaco, I'm saying for phaco. You can get it from here. And by the way, for the laser, it will appear here, the jaws and the shots.
So you have to
You need to document it in your charting.
jaws and the juts.
PPB endolaser done like this with 1,250 shots. Joules, you can write the joules, no problem. But for us, I used to, because the doctor is documenting it. How
So
many
you have
shots?
to announce it or you just document?
No need that. You don't need to announce, but you as the circuit, after
Document.
finish, you need to document. Because maybe your scrub nurse, she's too fast to close everything. That is why please tell your scrub nurse, if you, for example, you're busy now with the surgeon assisting doctor, where's the file like this thing. With your patient, you're busy. So please, the scrub nurse, please also have the initiative to, you're a team here. So, okay ate, then before you turn off the machine. Because once you turn off the
It's
machine,
gonna be saved there until you finish.
no po. It cannot be saved po. So that is why before turning off the machine, you need
No,
to get
what
the
I
steps.
mean is the entire procedure. It will be it will appear there.
Yes po,
and
yes
then
po.
before you turn.
Yes. For example, endolaser, then after you're done with the endolaser, the doctor will no longer do the silicone. And guys, as you notice, the silicone is the last part. Air fluid exchange, extrusion. They are cleaning, preparing that because it should be dry. The cornea, the retina,
The
like this, the
retina.
environment, then that's the time they will inject the silicone. So as you notice, the silicone is always at the last. Yes. You cannot put the silicone in the beginning and then do these things and do laser, whatsoever, air fluid exchange, ILM peeling. No. Silicone is the last part.
Removal lang yung ginawa
Okay.
natin.
And also the gas injection, by the way, we have two kinds of gas, the C3F8 and the SF6 as well. So
Removal
later,
lang.
so
Removal yung
silicone
ginawa
oil
natin.
removal, like it. So ate, okay,
Removal
you're
yung
done
ginawa
now with
natin
this.
dati.
Then the laser, once you press it,
Silicone.
it will come here. Okay, you will see the joules and the
Silicone injection.
shots.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so please guys,
Hindi remove ba?
if your circuit is busy, you the scrub nurse, before turning off the machine, please remember this.
Area.
Okay, this is very important because this is included in the documentation. How many shots was given. Okay po. So, any question? Okay po. Ate, I cannot show you the priming mode of, but I already explained sa the anterior vitrectomy. So it will be like that. You go here, and then you will see this one. Okay, either here you will see this like this is a priming mode, something like this. So prime cutter, then you will proceed with the start, and then it will. I think
I think I have video of that one
okay.
already.
Okay. So, any question po with the PPB? Okay, diathermy. Okay, diathermy pala. So, where is do you have diathermy? For
Yes,
sure,
we have.
Diathermy should be here, and then your tip. Okay, so everyone knows about it. So, diathermy. Okay, diathermy, power doctor. What is the power? 25. Okay, make it 30. Okay. Doctor, diathermy, 30. Still sometimes. Diathermy is like cautery outside. Okay po, everyone. Endodiathermy because it's inside. Okay? But in the outside, we called it cautery lang. Okay?
Diathermy.
Okay na po. So, everyone is familiar with this is diathermy, this is the air pressure. So, as Ate Racy noticed, I hope you notice it as well. What is the pressure here? It's the same with the why? Because, but why SP, why I already closed but still 30? So, it's the air pressure now, the 30. So, once, okay, you close the air, you close the fluid, you are on air now. The doctor is asking, how much is the infusion now? How was the doctor? Don't look at here, or even sometimes I told you it's the same. So this is the pressure that is going, the pressure of the air. But if we are in fluid, this is the pressure of the fluid. If we are on air, this is the pressure of the air that's going inside the eye. Okay po. So this is the vacuum. So okay na po. What else? This is the extrusion for the silicone, as I told you here. Okay. For the silicone, once we started there po, I will show you each and everything how to use it like that. Okay. So for the pedal, okay. Anyway, here infusion, okay.
Alternate pressure activated.
Okay. The surgeon, they are the one pressing
Alternate
this.
pressure off.
Okay. If they want alternate pressure in the eye, 60 and 30, 60 or 25 like this po, they are the one. Okay po.
Irrigation off. Alternate pressure activated. Alternate pressure off. 30.
Again, ma'am, what is the use of that other pedal?
Alin po ito?
Yes, that one.
This is for the laser po.
For laser.
Yes
Okay.
po. And as I told you, never, you cannot use the laser without the cable.
Yes,
Always
yes.
it should be connected. And as you said, you can use the pedal with this one, but just in case, why the pedal is not working, remove the. Because I believe it's enough for since you're always charging it like this, and you're just getting from the machine. So the machine should be on whenever you're charging this.
Yes.
Okay. So always this guys close this one, the laser. So that's it for the PPV. So this is very regular. So you want to go with combine. Okay, let's try combine. Excuse me. Let's go with combine.
Try it.
Okay.
BSS
Since
pa ba tayo?
meron pa naman po. Since I primed already, you can use the short one. Okay. Long is for the first time. Short, you can, if you still have another VSS, no problem.
Bilis.
Mag-ano lang po kayo ha. Question.
Bininyagan mo yung...
Yeah, no connection between irrigation and aspiration detected. Check tubing.
Nag-relate na siya.
Wait lang po. Aha! If that one will have problem again, so I guess we need a handpiece.
Handpiece for the people?
Per combine po. Anyway, no connection between irrigation and detector.
Kailangan mo naman.
ito po, since nga po we're on phaco, kailangan po natin itong naka-connect sa phaco. Ito pong dalawa na to, di ba po? Ito yung pang phaco natin. Ito po dapat naka-handpiece. Since nga ito, walang kinoconnectan, we cannot proceed. I'm sorry. Clear, you understand? This one, it's not connected to the handpiece. That's why there's error. They said it's not connected. There's no connection. Okay? This one must be removed from here. That is why for the combine, this one is keep it like that. And this one is with the handpiece. If it's PPV time, that's the time you need to remove this one and connect it here. Okay, for example, the doctor, he wants another line. To yan is something like this. That's why you have another pole. You need to open a new BSS with a macro set. Because once this one is already connected, you cannot remove it unless they will clamp this one. And by the way, if you are injecting the gas, you need to clamp this one first. Okay? Good. Because what's going on, what we need to do for the gas, okay, this is clamp. Okay, you have the clamp in your set. Mosquito. Yes, mosquito po. So it's like this. So there will be the eye will not be, what is this ate? Yani, like, it will not be soft. Okay? So because once you suddenly you remove the pressure, it will make it soft. Okay? So it should be always, yani, not hard, but yani, it should be pressurized. Oh, yes, the doctor said, what happened? Maybe you put, yani, you remove something like this. There's, yani, like, opening and went inside the eye. That make the eye soft. So, okay. So, there's no pressure at it. There's no air or fluid going in. That is why. So, when you are going to give the SF6 or the C3F8, you need to clamp this first and then connect your 50cc. Then, okay, you ready? Okay, ready. That's the time you need to unclamp. And then, never leave this open. Because that is the reason for collapse. That's the word, collapse. Okay po, and the doctor might be upset for sure. Okay po. This one natin need to close as well. Okay, like this one. So this is the close. Because once of the, because for example, you are inside the eye, and then this one has been attached. Hala to, collapse.
Collapse.
Yes.
Okay.
So the eye needs always pressure because our eye is it's a round one, always need pressure. So that is why we have the aqueous humor. So that is the one that maintain the pressure of our eye. So if you open something and then you did not replace it, it will shrink. Okay po. So for the combine, we cannot proceed since we don't have the handpiece. But I just wanted to show you, same thing, okay, you have everything, you need to connect your handpiece like this. So this one, keep it like this. So this one, yes, no sense for that one. But if it's PPV time, detach this from the phaco handpiece, connect it here, irrigation on, so you need to prime it, then you prime it, okay? So I suggest always keep it on until there's no air. So because once the doctor put it in the trocal already, it should be, should not be any air. So that will get inside the eye because we are in fluid. And you will see it, Rina. What is this? Air is coming. They hate air. Unless they want air, it's okay. But if they don't want, if they're in fluid, air is, they hate it too much. Pre-chop. So you have pre-chop for Dr. Sulaiman. So the pre-chop, I guess the power is low for that one. The power is not high for the pre-chop. So skirting, quadrant, same. Because it's combined, sa? Okay, you finish the phaco. Let's go with the corbitrectomy. See, phaco fragmentation is here. So when you are priming PPB plus phacopragmatome, you need to go with combine. You need to prime it combine. But you will not use these things. You will go with phacopragmatome.
Direct.
Okay po, direct po. Because you will not use this is for anterior but your cataract is in the posterior. So you need to proceed with this one. Since your handpiece is prime, and then after that, okay, go with vitrectomy. And you see, this is the first phase. Hoy, I cannot be. Okay, yes. We did not prime. Yes, you're right. So the second is the sheathing. Then all about vitrectomy po. Combine, of course, phaco first. The second line is for vitrectomy. Okay. So any question po? By the way, guys, for example, you are using this PPB, you have your cautery po here. You have your cautery. For example, you have pterygium.
Yes.
You can use this EVA machine. But, can I close it? Okay. So, if you don't want, or your cautery machine is using in the other room, you can use this EVA as your diathermy. So, you can connect your cautery cord here and then your, for example, monopolar cord like this. So, this is the power. Usually, for the power, you can start with 30.
This is for monopolar only.
Bipolar po.
Bipolar.
Yes, you can also connect here. You can use, but please don't use any cord po ha. It should be dork, the blue
We don't
one.
have.
What about
The diathermy.
the diathermy? Same the cord po,
Yes.
but your tip, you can use like for your anterior. Like doctor is using the pterygium. And your, for example, your other cautery, they are using it in the other room. You can use the EVA as your cautery machine po. So, in this way po. Just in the, the other one. This is the main one. Okay? So, go with, you don't need this one. Because you want this machine for cautery only. For example, I need some light. The doctor wants to do something and there. I need some light. Okay, you have this process? Okay, light doctor.
Activated.
Okay, 100%.
Light port 1. 100. Color. Light port 1. Light port 2. Off. Light port 2. 0. Light port 3.
Okay pa. So, there are some surgeon, I need light. Well, like doctor, maybe they want to do something anterior. They need this probe only. No problem, you can give them, you can use the door. Okay po. So, no need for them. Because, doctor, do light because, you know, there are some doctors, they want to do something anteriorly. And then they need this. So, you see po.
So with the combined ate.
No need po ate.
If only cautery.
Anything with a phaco like this. If you need cautery, just, and then it so happen, your cautery is using in the other not available, you can use EVA's cautery. Yani, we're not using this for, for only phaco or PPB. Just, or you need some light, you need like this. So we can go with this.
Diathermy.
Diathermy. So air like this. Yani, outside only po. You don't need to do phaco or PPB. Yani, I am saying the extra use for the for the machine. Okay po, just in case you need some light. And the diathermy, which is this is the cautery. But you see, the power is 50. Then you start with the 25 po.
Diathermy.
Then increase na. Okay po. So linear, this is the sounds of the cautery. Okay.
I think Dr. Ali doesn't know that one.
Yes.
Cautery.
I think.
For the
I think Dr. Ali doesn't know that we can
Nako, pag nalaman niya yan.
Sinabi yun actually dati ni engineer ni
Oh,
na pwede natin gamitin ang machine with the
With the cautery.
nung wala pa tayong cautery dito. We can use that. But
Yes,
he
that
never
is-
insisted.
Maybe
Dr.
Dr.
Ali.
Ali doesn't know.
Maybe he forgot that
Okay.
we
For
can use
example,
that.
you have phaco. For example, you have phaco.
Phaco,
Sa phaco plus pterygium.
Yes,
Phaco plus
because
something.
last time we had a patient, phaco plus pterygium
Ah.
ate.
They're using
And then
the different.
we're using the
Yes.
aura.
Yes, you can. This is the one I'm telling you, ate.
Because we're using this for that phaco, and then doctor asked, okay, let's do the excision, and then we use the aura.
Friday.
So we can use this one also.
Yeah. This is the one. For example, you're in phaco. Sa you don't need to go back. Doctor wait have when you're doing phaco. Anyway, doctor cannot do two procedures at the same time. Either he will do pterygium first. Okay, this is the phase. So you can. This is the diathermy for your cautery.
Yes,
So you
cautery.
will just connect it ate.
Parang wala
Yes.
kaming,
Yes.
ang problem lang namin is wala kaming tip. Only the handpiece, the tip, is it the same? Or
No,
same,
no,
we
no,
can
no.
use the same
No
tip?
po, no.
Oh.
That tip is for retina only.
Oh.
Where is it? Show it
So
to me later.
we
ha?
cannot...
You can buy it po.
Is
You
it
know the
compatible?
Elman? You know the Elman?
Elman tip.
Yan,
Hindi
the
siya-
Elman tip,
wala
the metals, you can connect
We have
it.
those tips, but I'm not sure if it is compatible
Yeah,
with
show
the
it.
diathermy.
Ate, I will just
Show it to me. Plus the cable, the
For
cord
the...
one.
That is for...
Yung
monopolar, I think.
Ah,
The
for
tips for monopolar.
Yeah, the green one.
No,
Ah.
it's not. I will,
As
I
long
will
as
show
it will
you.
fit in the two for the okay. So for example, you have phaco pterygium, you will prime it as phaco, right po? So you don't need to wait, doctor. I will go back. No, this is your cautery.
You can just
yes po.
manipulate
Yes,
here.
manipulate it from here. Anyway, doctor he might do phaco first or pterygium first, but For me, based on my experience, Teridium first. Because phaco, because if it's done phaco, the patient is already anxious because they are already feeling pain like this. So at least for the Teridium later on then the pain. So once you prime, no problem. You don't need to go back to this. Okay po?
No need to go back.
No need to go back
You can
to
just
this.
press there,
Yes.
okay.
Like, I want diathermy. No, there's diathermy in that side. Okay, I prime with phaco.
Exit lang tayo na.
Okay, so this
No
is
need
Hindi ka na
to
mag-exit, ma'am. Nandun na.
Diretso na.
Yes,
Kukonect
no
mo
need
lang
to-
yung handpiece.
Yeah, connect the cable po.
Gagana lang siya pag may
Yung
I want to
cable.
see the cable
Mm,
po
yes,
is
she's
your...
getting now.
May po na.
Maiba tayo, ma'am. May
Yes,
question
po.
na ako. Medyo naguluhan ako
Mhm.
kanina. About dun sa, for example, we are in the middle of the PPB. And there is, sabi mo nga, may nagkaroon ng fall ng cataract fragment. Possible, kahit hindi siya na plan as combined. possible
Na prime.
Oo. Hindi
Yes,
siya
yes.
na-prime.
Okay, for example.
Is it possible that we are in the middle of PPB and then the doctor will gonna ask in the middle of the PPB the phacopragmentation?
Yes po. Yes po.
So,
Well, the doctor needs to wait and you need to reprime as combined because you already prime for
as
his...
combined.
Opo.
We need to go back to
Yes.
the settings and
Opo,
combine.
combine yun na po.
I thought we will just use the phacopragmentation.
Dala sa phaco po.
Yeah.
You need to reprime again natin. You need to
Yes.
So you
reprime.
have to go back
Because
to the
from
phaco.
beginning, you don't have this handpiece.
Yeah.
It cannot be.
Yeah.
It will not work because you prime it without handpiece. So you need to. And better for me, I suggest you go with combine whenever there's pragmatome. If you will reprime it, because before you have PPB only, suddenly the nucleus drop. You will reprime it again with PPB since there is phacopragmatome. No, you better go with combine.
So,
And yes po.
meaning, is it safe to, from the beginning, if the patient has cataract, though we will not do the cataract for the patient, only PPB, is it better to
Prime it
use the, prime it with the combine?
No po.
No?
If the patient has no cataract, only PPB, let's go with PPB.
Yeah.
No, I mean, what if the patient is with cataract and it is not planned? You know?
You mean that, but the doctor will do cataract. Will do cataract. No. It will not fall po. Once he did not touch the cataract, that is why combined, meaning it's planned.
Okay.
Phaco plus PPB, so there might be this,
So there's no chance that the cataract will fall if we are only using the
Yes
PPB.
po. Unless he did not touch the cataract, it might not
Yeah.
fall po.
Okay.
Yes po.
Yun yun.
Pag na-touch niya, yun, edi yun, saka pa mag-
That's the time po. Kasi hindi naman niya kasi ito lang si cataract eh.
Mm-mm.
Nandito naman siya nagtatrabaho sa ilalim.
Oo, posterior.
But if he is doing private, then
Suddenly, yeah.
But anyway, for combined, since the doctor is not,
Let's make sure.
what is this? If it's combined, no need for this pragmatome. Because you know why?
Why?
Pragmatome po, phacopragmatome po, this is indicated for, for example, patient did phaco now.
Yes.
Today, patient did. Then there's drugs po. And then the doctor, he's just anterior segment. His anterior segment, he will refer it to the retina. Opo. Because he's not used to it in this procedure. But if he knows, for example, Dr. Sulaiman, his anterior, he can do cataract at the same time he is a retina doctor. He can proceed. But if he is anterior only, anterior segment, he did cataract. Suddenly, there's a fall, there is a drop of nucleus, he will not proceed. He will refer it to another doctor, which is retina. Because this retina doctor, at first, that is why, what is in the order? PPB like this. What is the indication? Drop nucleus. He knows that he can remove it through cutter. Because he will cut it into pieces, into small pieces. So he can aspirate using the vitrectomy po. But if he knows that this is too large, they can estimate this nucleus is too large, I think I need pragmatome. So they will put there PPB plus phacopragmatome. So that is the time you need to primitas combined. But if it's PPB alone and even this is the drug nucleus, don't be afraid. But if his procedure is only PPB, he knows that he can remove it through the
Cutter.
because as I have told you, ate, I have incident. He is a glaucoma doctor. He has drop nucleus. He referred it to retina. This retina, phacopragmatome plus PPB. So I need to prime it as combined. Okay, but you know what happened? Doctor, Doctor, direct phacopragmatome. No. Let's see. If we cannot remove it by the scatter, that's the time we will go for phacopragmatome. And this is the eye. Okay, this is the eye. This is the sclera. They will make a hole. using the
Yeah.
MBR or needle. Then they will go there with the fragmatome because the fragmatome is a little bit bigger. So they will remove it from there. Of course, they have the microscope, they can remove it from there. But they will not go in the trocar. Unlike in the PPBs, they are
Another
inserting from the
incision
trocar.
pala.
Another incision. Because it's too large.
Yes.
The needle cannot fit in the
Oh,
throat.
and you know, the phacopragmatome is long po. As you notice, it's long the...
Pili ko meron tayong phacopragmatome.
I think yes with
So, okay na ate your question.
Yes,
It's like
ma'am.
that.
Na-clara.
Yes po. No problem.
Okay.
Question, dear? Any question?
Fully doubt.
Fully ano?
Full doubt.
Full doubt. Did you experience how to use this one? That is why. I understand. I understand. So anyway, you have ates here. They will guide you. Okay? Anyway, you will not be alone. You will not scrub alone. Guys, the most crucial is the
Yes.
vitrectomy.
Mhm.
For the PACOM, you know how to do like this. Very simple. But for PPB, if you twist something wrong, really, you are
Ma'am,
in
do you
trouble.
have yung mga notes or any lectures or
Mhm.
any naman pwede mong ma-share sa amin about PPB so that we can fully understand the PPB itself and the, how to, by using this door or you don't have?
I don't have ate. The only thing I am giving this my 100% knowledge. Yes, I can assure you that this is my that is why you see it's per what is this? Per level. Okay? What did you expect in sculpting? What did you expect in quadrat? What you will do with this? If there's laser, what you will do? If there's silicone oil, what you will do? Because I think we will just we will just follow here like this. Doctor will not ask anything that is not
Based on your experience, any other terms for example, the sculpting, what any
Okay.
other terms are you familiar with other terms?
Okay, sculpting, phaco 1. This is how they
Phacopragmatome.
call it. Sculpting, phaco 1. What phaco 2, phaco 3. Like this. This is the regular term. But in retina, what is our retina? We have the corvitrectomy, which is here. Give me shaving.
So it's only shaving,
That is
no
the
other term.
extrusion. Anything, silicone oil removal, silicone oil injection. This is the extrusion. You hear the word extrusion. Okay, we have extrusion. But you know how to do it? No. So that is why I am teaching you po. I am telling you what did you expect and what you should prepare. If they said, I need extrusion. See, if you don't have idea what extrusion, okay, there's extrusion here. Then, doctor, extrusion. Yes, give me the instrument. Give me the thing that I will use. So, connect here the white one. Okay, and then the cannula. This is doctor extrusion. So, this is the extrusion. Then, vitrectomy. So, the thing is, okay, for vitrectomy, you should have the vitrectomy. Shaving, this one as well. The silicone oil, I will tell it to you later. Okay, silicone oil removal, I will show you as well. So, as I believe I discussed all the phases po.
Galing yan.
So, I didn't for it like, okay, if the doctor asks for this, you will give this. The doctor asks for this, you will give this. Silicone oil removal, you know how to prepare these things. Silicone oil injection, what are the things? What is the partner of that? Okay po? So, can we have a break before we proceed with the...